Instagram said privacy. Yeah, nah. So there is no built-in feature, but you've got options. Option A, manual check, the ancient way. Go to your followers, right? Hit your profile icon at the bottom right, and hit your followers. Search the person's name. If they don't appear, yeah, they dipped. Option B, use apps. Apps like, if you go to the App Store or Google Play, Followers Plus, Follow Meter, Followers Insight, they show who unfollowed you, who doesn't follow you back, ghost followers. So let's say Followers Plus. Okay, don't give any app your password. Only connect through Instagram's secure login. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.